Welcome to the Easy Projects Import from CSV training video. Here you'll learn how to import tasks and other information into Easy Projects. Sometimes you'll need to import lots of data into Easy Projects. Maybe you have a new project that you want to transfer over, or you have a bunch of new users that you want to create. In these cases, you can import them in bulk instead of creating entries one at a time. Let's say you have a list of project tasks that you want to import. I have all the details I need here: the name of each task, who's doing them, when they start, and when they end, and other information as well. We need to import this into Easy Projects. The first thing you'll need to do is get a copy of the template that Easy Projects needs. Let's click on Tools, and then Import from CSV. CSV means comma-separated value, which is a type of file that can be opened and edited in Microsoft Excel. We're now going to select the type of data that you're going to import. You can choose from either tasks, users, projects, time entries, or customers. For this example, we're going to import tasks into an existing project. There will be an info panel that will show you how a CSV should be structured, but we can also grab the template from these two links. Let's do that now. Open up the template, and you'll see column headers already laid out. You have task name, task description, start and end dates, as well as other information that you're going to need. Now we're going to transfer the data over from our spreadsheet to the CSV template. I'm going to transfer this column, which has the task names, over to the CSV template. This is the column that I'm going to paste into, the task name column. Now I'm going to go back to our file and paste and copy the remarks. This would go into the task description area. There's a lot more information here, so I'm going to fast forward to a completed version, and I'll walk you through the columns that I've used. I've just transferred the information over from our source file to the CSV template. This column is your task name, as you saw earlier, and this is the task description. Up next, we have these two columns, task number and parent task. These determine the hierarchy your activities will have in Easy Projects, which tasks will be subtasks, which are parent tasks, and how they're related to each other. In the task number column, we'll be assigning a number to each activity. In the next column, we can assign another task to be a parent task by referencing its task number. So task 9, booth graphics, will have task 1, marketing, as its parent task. This column, duration, refers to how many days you have to complete each task. We've already copied over the start date and end date of each activity, also their assignees, who are people assigned to complete each task. Next, we have task category, in case you need to classify your tasks by department or some other measure. After that is task priority, which indicates how urgent a task is, whether it's urgent, high, or just medium. Then you have the task actual completion date. If you're importing completed activities, you can fill this in. This is different from the end date, which predicts when an activity finishes. There's also the task created field if you need it, but Easy Projects can fill that in once you do the import. The task estimated column tracks how many hours you think a task is going to take. Hours left indicates how close the task is to completion. Task milestone determines if a task is won or not, and task progress uses a percentage number to measure activity completion progress, but since we haven't started anything yet, this is blank. Finally, you have task status, which tells you the current status of an activity if it is ongoing, completed, or neither. If you make use of custom fields, you can add them into this template and import them during the actual mapping process. Now we're ready to import. Let's go back to the Import from CSV page and select the project that we want. Please note that the project already has to exist on Easy Projects before you can import to it. Let's go select our project, in this case Proform Trade Show. Select the file from our computer and press Next. Now we're going to map out the fields from where they are in the file to where they're going to be in Easy Projects. If the CSV was filled out properly, then most of these fields should already have been filled out for you, but you can make manual changes to them if you need to. Any custom fields you create can be added in this area at the bottom. Let's go press Import. This import has been successfully completed. If we go to the Activity Center, we should see that the project has now been updated with these new activities. Please check out our other training videos for more on how to use easy projects.